Isn't she lovely? Look. Whoa. Got new headlights. But how do you start this thing? Look at that. So that was only about 3-4 hours. Not bad. Just in time to go get dinner. Not gonna be able to get the hard drive situated, unfortunately. Headlights really took a lot longer than what I thought they were going to. I'm gonna do a short trip down the road and see if they fall out or not. They got like a horrible little U-shaped spring that's supposed to go around the backside of them and like hold them into place. It's very complicated design and hard to do with it. Like you can't see in there, so you're just feeling around with your fingers. There's a church at the end of this road. We'll probably stop there and check it out. They just repaved this. This used to be really rough. Already starting to fall back in the creek. Alright, so they're sitting a little goofy, but they don't look too bad. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the city to enter from. It's just beautiful. I don't know where the district ends here. I don't know if it ends at the lovely Lux Views or if it ends back there at that red light. I do believe Newport starts like, oh, it might be this bridge actually. Really don't know. I don't hang out much down here. This is my favorite part right here. Just breathtaking. Absolutely love it. All that money, man. The city's full of money. You just gotta get out there and take it. It's like an old train station or something. It looks cool. Newport's got a lot of history. The creator of the Tommy gun lives down here. He still lives down here. In fact, I think he's still alive. Isn't she lovely? The Queen City. Place is popping. Nice day. Parking down here always sucks. Oh, we can go check it out down here, the riverfront. Got a little bit, we got about 10 minutes. I got here pretty early. I could use a drink. I'm awfully parched. Whoa. Just a quick shot. All right, day 2 of organizing the trailer. It's coming along. I have most of my power tools back. There's still a couple in the trailer. Only thing I noticed I'm missing so far is a Ryobi orbital sander and a little like socket set. So they might still be in here somewhere. I have no idea. But for the most part, I have everything out of here. So if I find them, I'll be shocked. They're probably still out there somewhere. All right, so I don't have internet right now, but I was just thinking about, comment down below, like, do you have to be home in order for them to search your house? Like, if they get a search warrant, can they search your house without you being home? So receiving stolen property, $1,000 to $10,000. Receiving is like somebody gave it to him. They have no proof of him stealing the trailer. So, but they said they're willing to get a search warrant for his house that could potentially have more of our tools in it. I think everything down there has been stolen. I'm not trying to charge this dude with crap, you know? It is what it is. We got our trailer back. We got a majority of the tools. So I could care less. I'm just more or less interested in, like, how does this process go out? Can I search his house as long as he's there? I've been going through it, just writing down the list of tools. Starting with the power tools because they're the easiest. Still missing some parts on the vacuum. It's a process because I don't know how to spell. Trying to get it done fast, and I'm also writing it down, and I can't read my handwriting. So we're getting there. It looks like I might be packing up the trailer here soon. I really wish I could unload it completely and like clean it out good. We got lucky. This dude was trying to make this place into like a sleeping quarters or something. Like, I don't know. He was going to live out of it basically. And the trailer wasn't too hard to get into. So the only real damage we suffered was this mark right here. And I'm not really sure. I don't know if he was like trying to put an antenna up or something, or like cutting the wires through the trailer. Like, was he afraid that if he was hook up to this thing and then the lights came on or something, or like did he think that was like the main power? I don't know why he would cut into that. Crackheads be crackhead. With these DeWalt boxes, I have all the power tools in this one, so it's easy to roll out of the trailer the next time it gets stolen. I don't know if we're gonna keep this trailer or not. So they must have been puffing the crap out of this PB blaster, because if you guys know anything about, oh, little squirty squirt. If you know anything about PB blasters, they're usually last a long ass time, but I think if you hold it upside down and you do like this number with it, you stay high all the time. It sucks. There's a lot in there. Like, I don't want to throw this thing away. I can probably put a hole in it and put it in like a spray gun or something. I'm gonna keep it. Starting fluid's still good. They're probably using this to light fires. I guess it's a little bit more dangerous to huff starting fluid. Said charged with receiving $1 to $10,000 worth of stolen property. He's also about to be charged with an ass whooping. Why would he unorganize my trailer so much? Like, it was somewhat organized. It just needed to be go through, like cleaned out. Now it's really bad. Well, now it's really good. I need totes. I need totes for all this caulk. I don't want to put it all in one of these black ones and not be able to see what caulk I'm grabbing. So I need like a clear tote for that. Probably another tote for all these putty knives, mixing paddle. So far, I am missing pole sander, one of those round ones that I showed you guys earlier. Probably can't even see me. Pole sander, a 1/18-inch bracket, 2 extension poles for the shop vac. Oh, the exhaust for the shop vac. A sander, a DeWalt sander, little square one. A DeWalt drill. We have aluminum chuck one, and a plastic chuck one that's a newer style. We're missing that. And a DeWalt sand blower. So, a DeWalt leaf blower, not sand blower. All the sprayers are in one tote. I could stack on that tote. Yeah, I can stack on that. We have 3 buckets. I think that's a good sign. Probably one at a job site somewhere. That's another thing too, is we had a decent amount of tools in the bed of the truck because we were working on projects. So the tools that they did get away with, a hammer drill, the jigsaw, the oscillator, circular saw. We had the nail gun. Oh, they got a sawzall. Okay, yeah, they got away with all my tools. Well, yeah, I say they because there's a guy and a girl. I'll throw their shots up right now. These are basically done anyways, like we should just replace them. Ow. The dude also burned a bunch of these lids, so I don't have lids. I usually end up with too many lids because I can't put lids on totes like this one or like that one. But I had 2 totes with lids, and I got 2 different kinds of lids. So I need to figure out what tote this lid goes on, which is probably that tote, and then swap it, I guess. Or I get, oh man, I should have thought of this before I filled the totes up. I also think you got away with some batteries, maybe 1 charger, but we are missing like 3 or 4 batteries. Comment down below if you know the law. You search his house without the owner of the house being there. This tote I'm switching to is a little bit bigger anyways, so it'll work. a little bit bigger toe. Rollers might be a little bit more squished, but you can squish these. It's fine. All right, so all in all, it looks pretty good. Swap this tote over. This is still kind of like a hodgepodge. Like, I don't know, those can probably stay in there, but I just need to find a spot in the trailer for them, a better spot. This is a hodgepodge. This is still iffy, but I have to make a trip up in Ohio to hopefully get this hard drive that I lost 4 years worth of stuff restored.